This morning, Tropical Storm Gordon lashing the south. With winds of 70 miles per hour, Gordon made landfall just west of the Alabama-Mississippi state line.
Seriously, we gotta get out of here.
Gusts to 78 miles per hour in Fort Morgan, Alabama. The storm already claiming one life. A person was killed when a tree crashed into a trailer in Pensacola, Florida. Dauphin Island taking on up to 5 feet of storm surge. In eastern Mississippi, conditions deteriorated rapidly as the eye wall approached.
So now wind gusts have gone up to 77 miles per hour. The signal rain is starting to hit. This storm passed over Alabama, and we're getting it next here in Pensacola.
The space station capturing this image of Gordon before it made landfall.